Hi and welcome to this short video where we're going to take you through the installation of a Luvalite lithium motor using a 5-channel remote control. Firstly, we need to pair the motors to the remote control. Push the red button on the motor until the blind jogs up and down. Then press the C button on the back of the remote control. The blind and the motor are now paired. As you can see, the blind is travelling in the wrong direction. To alter the direction, press the L button on the back of the remote and the stop button together. This will reverse the direction of the blind. Now we're going to set the limits. We're going to press the L button on the back of the remote until the blind jogs. Press the up button. When we get close to the limits, press the stop, and then you can use the up and down to fine tune the position. When you're happy with the position of the blind, press the C button on the back of the remote. Press the down button. When the blind gets close to the desired position, press the stop. Again, use the up and down to fine tune. When you're happy with the position, press the C button on the back of the remote. The top and bottom limits are now set. Change the remote to channel 2 and move to the next blind. We'll repeat the same process for setting the limits on the second blind. The two blinds are now set on individual channels. If you wish to set the two blinds to a single channel, move to channel 3, press the red button on the motor and press the C button on the back of the remote. On the second blind, press the red button on the motor and press the C button on the back of the remote. Now the two blinds are programmed to the same channel. They also are still in their individual channels. To delete a handset from a motor, press the red button and hold in until the blind does 2 sets of jogs. And the blind and remote are now unpaired. Thank you for watching this short video.